Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a ukulele cover and a ukulele tutorial on Dynamite by BTS because a lot of you guys have been requesting me to do that song. And by the way, if you haven't seen my latest cover yet, you may click the card up there. So for today's video, I'll be speaking in English because I know there's a lot of armies gonna watch this video. But before we start, let's have a quick shout out to these people. Shout out to Trace Castellano Tero, Rhea May Quijada, Catherine Entera, Paul Art Maagad, Rose May Barber, Maricar Empik, Wendo Rose Barber, Hilbert Corompido, Teresa Margaret Barber, Annavin Martinez, Lavinia Ochavo, and lastly, shout out to Trixie Umpad. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use my ukulele from Lava Music. This is the Lava U ukulele, and if you're interested with this instrument, you may check out the purchase link on the description box below. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 4 basic chords on the ukulele, and you also need to have a ukulele capo or ukulele capo, and it looks like this one. And you need to clip it on the 2nd fret of your ukulele in order to achieve the original pitch or the original key of the song. But if you don't have a ukulele capo, then it's still fine. You can still play this song. So since we already clipped our capo here on the 2nd fret of our ukulele, this means that this fret that is right below the clip part, that will be our 1st fret, followed by the 2nd fret, and so on. Okay? And the 4 chords that you need to learn for this song will be B minor 7, E minor, A, and D. So for the 1st chord, we have B minor 7. What you're going to do is you just need to clip the entire 2nd fret of your ukulele using your index finger or your middle finger. It depends upon you. And when clipping this chord or barring this chord, you need to also push your thumb upward while your finger that is on the fretboard will be pushing downward so that it adds more tension or force to it. Ayan. Now B minor 7 sounds like this one. Now the next chord that you need to learn is the chord of E minor, and it looks like this one. 1, 2, 3, and it sounds like this one. Yun. Next chord is the chord of A, and you just need to put your index finger here on the 3rd string 1st fret, and your 4th finger should be placed on the G string 2nd fret. And lastly, we have the chord of D. So it looks like this one. 1, 2, 3. So 4th string, 3rd, and 2nd on the 2nd fret. So again, we have B minor 7, E minor, A, and D. Now we only have 1 chord progression for this song. So from start to finish, we only have B minor 7, E minor, A, and D. Now for the first part of the song, which is the intro, you just need to do 1 down strum in each of the chord, and it sounds like this one. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Ayan. Okay? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Now for the next part of the song, which is the verse 1 and the verse 2, now we're going to do the same thing for those parts. And the only strumming pattern that we have for this part is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we're going to do that strumming pattern in each of the chord. Now again, our chord progression for the entire song is B minor 7, E minor, A, and D. And since the song is kind of upbeat and the tempo is fast, now it should sound like this one. Down, up, 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 down. And you're going to repeat that for the entire verse. But except for the last line for verse 1 and verse 2, because you're going to do just 1 down strum, and for verse 2 you're going to do 2 down strum. Now it should sound like this one. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup and make shots, rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing a song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the road. game of ping pong. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready. Laughing sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch thing like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow up. So let's go. Yan, okay? Down, up, 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 down, up. Now for the next part of the song, which is the chorus, now we're going to do the same strumming pattern, but in each strumming pattern, you need to do 2 chords. Now, since our strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, down, up. Now for the first part of the strumming pattern, which is down, up, you're going to do the first chord, which is B minor 7. So down, up, and then after that one, for the remaining parts of the strumming pattern, which is down, up, down, up, you need to do the next chord, which is E minor. Down, up, down, down, up. So if we put it all together, it should sound like this one. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And you're going to do the same thing for the next 2 chords, which is A and D. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Now let's try to sing the chorus in 3, 2, 1, go. 'Cause I'm stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. Now for the next part of the song, which is verse 3 and verse 4, still we're going to do the same thing. You need to do the down, up, down, up, down, down, up in each of the chord. Bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk the talk, just move like we off the wall. Day and night, skies and lights, so we dance to the break of dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, I get the medicine, so you should keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready. Laughing sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch thing like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow up. So let's go. And you're going to repeat the chorus again. Okay, so let's sing the chorus. 3, 2, 1, go. 'Cause I'm stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. Now for the next part of the song, which is the post-chorus, now we're going to do the same thing to what we did with chorus, in which in one strumming pattern you need to do 2 chords, like down, up, down, up, down, up, and then transfer. Okay, so that will be our strumming pattern for the post-chorus, and it should sound like this one. Life is dynamite. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa. And for the last part, which is the bridge, now we're going to do the same thing to what we did with the chorus and the post-chorus. So will do the chorus again one last time, and yeah, that's basically it. So let's move on to the sing along. 3 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the front. Ding dong, call me on my phone, I see, and I gave a ping pong. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch sing like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know it glow up. So let's go. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little funk and soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Bring a friend, join the crowd, whoever wanna come along. Word up, talk the talk, just move like we off the wall. Day and night, the skies are light, so we dance to the break of dawn. Ladies and gentlemen, I give the medicine, so just keep your eyes on the ball. This is getting heavy, can you hear the bass? Boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch sing like money. Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow up. So let's go. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little funk and soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. Life is dynamite. Na 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 na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little funk and soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Na 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 na. Eh. Na 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 na. Eh. Na 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 na. Eh. Light it up like dynamite. Na 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 na. Eh. Na 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 na. Eh. Na 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 na. Eh. Light it up like dynamite. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little funk and soul, so I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa.